Diane and Denmark here, and welcome to day one of our virtual retreat. Now, if you've been thinking that you are constantly tired, that you can't have a clean, cozy home, you've got no motivation to do anything, this week is going to change everything for you. I am the best motivator on the web, not my words, other people have said that. And I've used the Flylady system for years and years and years because I was like that too. I just didn't want to do anything, or I was doing all the things and not getting anywhere. And I've said to you again and again and again, the key to having a joyful life, to having a clean, cozy home is with the self-care. So that's what we're doing this week. We're going to have a productive week. We're going to have a fun week. And if you've had problems with getting the self-care in daily, that's what I'm going to teach you, all right? And I know you're all excited to get going. I posted a packing list, so hopefully you're packed for a little virtual online retreat. And I'll post a link up there and down below if you want to review the packing list. But basically, we were to be ready for action here today, or we had looked at our outfit that we have brought along. Just a few simple cleaning supplies. You don't need to have them in a caddy. That you have some form of timer, or you can use your phone, a pen and some paper or notebook, and we're going to use that right now. So if you haven't already done that, pause the video, go and grab a pen and paper. Okay, off you go. I know there's some of you sitting there. Go, off you go and come back. I'll be waiting for you with my pom-poms. And the other thing that we were putting together was a pamper basket, a bag, box, whatever it is. And I've really had fun the last couple of days reviewing what I had in mind, giving it a clean out and a dust off, adding some goodies to the mix. Let's get right into it for today. First up, I want you to take your notebook or pen, pencil, whatever it is. And I want you to write down Monday, because this is going to be over 5 days. I want you to write down Monday. Off you go. If you want to do it electronically, that's fine. I like the kind of old-fashioned method best. Okay, so you've written down Monday, and then I want you to write down house, and then I want you to write down self. Right, for house, what I want you to do is I want you to give me a number 1 to 10 of how you are feeling about your house in general. Now, do not overthink this. Don't go thinking, well, if I started decluttering, I would feel better about my house. We're just taking a here and now, sticking our fingers into the ground, taking a little temperature check of how you feel about your house. I'll give you the scale, so it's a number of 1 to 10. First number you think of. 1, scale of 1 is 1, you don't want to think about your house, or 10 is, Diane, come on over, I'm going to give you the big tour of the house and welcome in. Okay, so scale of 1 to 10. And those of you who have private coaching with me, you will know that I use this technique a lot. Okay, so 1 to 10 for the house. Okay, you've written that down? Good. Okay, then we move on to the next step. Self. How do you feel about yourself right here and now? Okay, same thing. Don't overthink this. I don't want long explanations. We're just looking for a number between 1 and 10. I will give you the scale again. 1 is you're waking up in the morning and you just want to stay in bed, pull the blankets over your head and hide there. Or 10, you are jumping out of bed thinking, what does the day have to offer me? So write that number down, okay? Right. And then let's move on to what we're going to do for today. So we're going to have a little fun this week. We're going to be working on our homes, where we're going to be productive. We're going to be working on ourselves. And also, I'm going to give you little extra bonus missions, and you have to leave comments so we can get to know each other better. So for today, it's Monday, and usually in Flylady land, that's a weekly hot blessing day. Your mission, your working mission for today is to take your timer, your trusty timer. I want you to set it for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, listen here, 10 minutes, not 30 minutes, 10 minutes. And then either you can do 10 minutes, something on the weekly home blessing list, or you could maybe declutter a kitchen drawer for 10 minutes, something to do with housekeeping, something to do with the upkeep of your house. 10 minutes. All right, you can write that down in your little book, what you're going to do as soon as you've watched this video. And after the 10 minutes, we're going to take another 10 minutes. And if you find self-care is difficult, it's actually a good idea to have a timer. Keep a timer in your little pamper basket, because it reminds us that no, it doesn't need to take all day. We're just taking 10 minutes to do something nice for ourselves. And the idea of having the pamper basket is so that you know where to go, because often we'll be working all the time, we don't take the breaks, and if we do take a break, we don't know what to do. We're taking the guesswork out of it. It's the same as the Flylady system. We've got the Flylady system that tells us what we're supposed to be cleaning, what we're supposed to be planning for the week. The pamper basket is going to take the guesswork out of the pampering for you. And I'll show you just a few things that I've got here. I've got some snacks to try. These are little Danish marzipan sweets covered in chocolate. So I'm looking forward to having like maybe one a day this week. Fluffy socks, I can put those on. It's a wee bit nippy here today. Headphones, I love to listen to music. Oh, timer is in here as well. Portable diffuser, there we are. This was a book that I got from my friend Jen. I used to write a fanzine myself, so I'm going to be rereading that one this week. It's a fun read if you're into punk music. Toiletry bag, I got this at a clothes swap. I keep eye mask, I can just close my eyes for 10 minutes. If you're going to do that, make sure you set a timer. Hand cream, I can rub some hand cream in. I've got some old perfumes and roller ball thing of essential oils. I've got my glasses in here. I've got my iPad set up, so I've got an audiobook downloaded and a reading book all ready to go. And of course some Netflix series that I'm watching. But remember, just 10 minutes, where we're just taking 10 minutes to give ourselves a little bit of self-care. Now, if you're new to doing the Flylady stuff, 10 minutes of working on the upkeep of your home and 10 minutes of self-care, that's probably enough for you. If you want to take it a little step further, because I know a lot of you have been following me for years, your bonus for today is to look out your outfit for tomorrow and to add something into your outfit that you wouldn't normally wear. So for example, maybe you have been saving a pair of earrings for a special occasion. Maybe you've got some heirloom jewellery. I've always got my granny's crystals. A nice little brooch, you could maybe add that to your outfit. A blouse that you only normally keep for special occasions. Well, what do I keep on telling you? Every day is a special occasion. So look at your outfit for tomorrow so you're ready to go. And then for a little bit of fun, so we can get to know each other a little bit better, I want you to comment today, and I'm going to tell you what it is. If I could shake my pom-poms, let's imagine these are magic pom-poms, and if I shook them, you could have whatever you wanted right here and now. What would it be? I'll tell you what mine would be. If I could shake my magic pom-poms, then I would open my eyes and I would have a bathing bridge right from the kitchen door right out into the sea. That would be the greatest wish that anybody could grant me. So if I can shake my magic pom-poms and give you anything you want, what is it? Okay, let me know down below. And I'm going to keep it short here. You're off to do a bit of upkeep on your home. You're going to look after yourself. You're going to do that little extra bonus mission, looking at your outfit for tomorrow and finding something that you haven't worn for a long time, or some heirloom jewellery, something that's just going to give you that little boost. And remember to bring your notebooks for tomorrow, because again, we're going to stick our fingers into the ground and check the temperature and see where we're at. So all I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the Danish Hygge be with you. do something nice for yourself today, even if it's just a cup of tea out of your favourite mug, getting a little posy from the garden, and I shall see you tomorrow for day 2 of our virtual retreat. Okay, bye for now.